welcome to Ready Set Demo from Elizabeth's Craft Room. I am back to talk about a class that I designed ages ago, and there's a reason why I'm going to talk to you about it. This is the class, and these were the original, some of the original ones that I designed. This is what I'm calling a vintage book box. So storage box, you can keep craft supplies in there, you can put cards and envelopes in there and give them as gifts. That way they can actually work as gift boxes. Just gorgeous. We made them with 12 by 12 designer paper, and I did share the class. However, for some strange reason in March 2020, it may have gone a little bit under the radar. Not only for you, I think I probably put it on one newsletter, but probably all amongst a load of things saying, here's some ideas for how we can save our businesses when we've got face-to-face businesses and now they're locking us all down. So it got a bit lost. And then further it got lost, and I only realised this when I saw my two remaining boxes that I've kept the other day, because I've given all the others away. I suddenly thought, hang on, I haven't seen this on my class list. So it never made it onto my scroll it down and let's have a look at the classes list for some strange reason. So I thought I need to bring this back. I need to bring this back, and I need to bring it back with Earthen Elegance. I'm going to lean back so you can see my little sampler sheet. The Earthen Elegance papers are gorgeous. Now you do need 12 by 12 to make these boxes. Even the small one needs a larger amount of DSP. You can't do it with 6 by 6, but I just thought these papers were perfect. Let me get you a closer look. Come to me, little boxes. Aren't they lovely in these colours? Just gorgeous. And they do look like books. And so what I'm going to do, and what I have done, is to although we have got all the original class, which is still there, I have done another update video with what I've done with these goodies, so that now everything that's current in the catalogue July 2023, where am I? Who am I? Everything is in the catalogue there. So I've gone through and given you lots of different options, how to create the page edges, what papers to use, what bling to use. So I've kind of gone through and done an extra video. Now, if you bought this back in the day, if you bought this class back in the day, just go back and go to the original setting for your Dropbox, and that extra video is linked in there. So you can go and find that right now. No extra charge for you. You already paid for the class. But if you would like to make some of these really pretty little book boxes, just show you that they open up like this. And so pretty. And I tell you how to do this beautiful ribbon. Where's that come from? But it is current. So yeah, lots of extra tips. But if you would like to make these, then you can buy that class. Included in the class, as usual, are all the measurements. So this is for the small, medium and large box, full cutting list. There is a list of things to order per person. If you are doing this as a class and you want to know a per person ordering list, just switch out for the designer paper that you're choosing. And as I say, Earthen Elegance, amazing, but you could do it on with any paper at all. A little bonus, which we don't normally do in class in this way, but we've got step-by-step instructions again, because by the time I actually taught this, my ladies were at home. Some of them didn't have internet access. So I went ahead and did some step-by-step instructions and shared those with you as well. So, but even in a class situation, sometimes if you've got somebody who's going a bit faster, it's nice to have a step-by-step, and for us as well, as a reminder of what we're doing next. So that's all included in this class, as well as photos of both the new and of the original book boxes. So would you like to make these beauties? If you would, and you didn't already have the class, then you need to go down below and click to go and buy it. It's just £10, which is usually around 14 US dollars. I notice the exchange rates are up and down like a fiddler's elbow, as a friend of mine used to say. But I think around $14 US. And you will get all of those instructions, and I will email those over to you. If you're watching on YouTube, in the description box below, you'll see a link over to Ready Set Demo, or you can Google Ready Set Demo and look at my classes and see it there. And yes, it is going to get the love and go onto my class list at this point, as well as the original information that's there somewhere if you scroll right down. Anyway, thanks for visiting Ready Set Demo from Elizabeth's Craft Room. Can you tell I don't want to put my little books down? Thanks for visiting, and I will look forward to welcoming you back again soon. Bye.